Plant FAQs, Clethra Ruby Spice. A gardener's guide to the ruby spice Clethra, fragrant blooms, and easy care. The Clethra Ruby Spice has become a mainstay in my garden. This beauty offers a delightful combination of fragrant flowers, attractive foliage, and minimal fuss. It's no wonder it's earned a spot in countless landscapes across the country. For those unfamiliar with this gem, the ruby spice Clethra, Clethra alnifolia ruby spice, is a deciduous shrub known for its captivating bottle brush-like flower spikes. These fragrant blooms, boasting a richer pink hue compared to other Clethra varieties, erupt in mid to late summer, adding a touch of elegance to any garden. But the ruby spice Clethra's charm extends beyond its blooms. Its glossy, dark green leaves add a pop of color throughout the season, transforming into a vibrant yellow display come fall. How big does a Clethra ruby spice get? Before planting your ruby spice Clethra, it's wise to consider its eventual size. This shrub typically matures at a height of 4 to 6 feet, with a spread of 3 to 5 feet. Its compact nature makes it a versatile addition to various garden designs, whether you have a sprawling landscape or a cozy balcony. How to grow Clethra ruby spice. Planting your ruby spice Clethra is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Light. The ruby spice Clethra thrives in full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal flowering. Soil. This shrub prefers moist, well-drained, acidic soil. If your soil leans towards the alkaline side, consider amending it with peat moss or composted pine needles. Planting. Choose a location with good air circulation and dig a hole twice the width of the root ball. Backfill the hole with a mixture of amended soil and compost. Water deeply after planting and keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. How to care for Clethra ruby spice. Once established, the ruby spice Clethra requires minimal maintenance. Here are some key care tips. Watering. Water regularly, especially during periods of drought. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid soggy conditions. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing. While not strictly necessary, a light application of fertilizer in early spring can encourage vibrant blooms. Opt for a balanced, slow-release fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants. How to prune ruby spice Clethra. Pruning is not essential for the ruby spice Clethra's health, but it can be beneficial for maintaining its shape and promoting bushier growth. The ideal time to prune is in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. Simply remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches and lightly shape the shrub as desired. Is Clethra alnifolia ruby spice deer resistant? Great news for deer-plagued gardens. The ruby spice Clethra is generally considered deer resistant. The unappetizing foliage helps deter these browsing herbivores, allowing your shrub to thrive undisturbed. When to prune Clethra ruby spice. As mentioned earlier, late winter or early spring is the prime time for pruning your ruby spice Clethra. This allows for any necessary shaping before the new growth spurt. Avoid pruning in late summer or fall, as this can remove flower buds for the following season. What to plant with Clethra ruby spice. The ruby spice Clethra complements a variety of plants. Here are some ideas for creating a harmonious garden scene. Hydrangeas. These share similar water and light preferences and offer a contrasting bloom form. Hostas. Their shade-loving nature makes them ideal companions for Clethra planted in partial shade locations. Their broad foliage adds textural interest. Astilbes. These shade-tolerant perennials boast delicate flower plumes in various colors, creating a visually captivating combination. With its fragrant blooms, attractive foliage, and easygoing nature, the ruby spice Clethra is a surefire winner for any garden. Following these simple tips will ensure your shrub thrives for years to come, adding a touch of summer magic to your landscape.